शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै। नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः। ॐ नमः परमहंसास्वादितचरणकमलचिन्मकरन्दाय भक्तजनमानसनिवासाय श्रीरामचन्द्राय ॐ। So we have finished I think 48th Sarga in the previous session. We will start with 58th Sarga. We'll start with 59th Sarga. So the story is now Vishwamitra has become a Rajarshi by virtue of his tapas, and at the same time, around the same time, parallelly, Trishanku wanted to go to Swargam. Trishanku was a king in the Ikshvaku lineage. He wanted to go to Swarga with his own body. So the related yaga he wanted to perform, but Vasishtha discouraged him. Then he went to Vasishtha's children. Vasishtha was his Purohita. They also said if Vasishtha himself has discouraged, then who are we to perform it? Then they also discouraged. So he said, okay, I will go to somebody else. So they cursed him to become a Chandala, and he goes to Vishwamitra and seeks his help. So Vishwamitra by then is a Rajarshi. So he has that power. So therefore he thought if I go to Vishwamitra, he might help me. So he went to that place where Vishwamitra is, and he narrated the entire story, and he said, so this is truth. Don't think that I have got this shapa because of some other aparadha that I have done towards my guru. That is not true. The only reason I got this shapa was I requested him for his help, for his cooperation, so that I can perform this yaga, but he discouraged me. Then I said, okay, so you know all that stories, so we have seen. So because of that, because I said I will go somewhere else, I was cursed. So he said, you should trust my words. Don't think I'm lying and all that. Why is he saying? Because the next, why am I saying all this? The next chapter is going to begin like that. Vishwamitra is going to say, no, I believe you and things like that. अथ एकोनषष्टितमः सर्गः उक्तवाक्यं तु राजानं कृपया कुशिकात्मजः अब्रवीन् मधुरं वाक्यं साक्षात् चण्डालताङ्गतम्. So उक्तवाक्यं तु राजानं is कुशिकात्मजः. कुशिकात्मजः is Vishwamitra. So he spoke Abraveen Madhuram Vakyam. So Madhuram Vakyam Abravit. He spoke the following very sweet words. He spoke to whom? To that Raja. Rajanam Abravit. He spoke to that Raja. But then what kind of Raja? Raja who just finished speaking. So this Trishanku Uktavakyam to Rajanam. This Kushikatmajaha Madhuram Vakyam Abravit. But then he's in a Chandala form. How did he speak to him? So if somebody is a Chandala, you should not speak to him directly. It seems some rules are there. But then he's a Kshatriya. Vishwamitra knows he's a Kshatriya. He's not a Jati Chandala. He's just because of Shapa he has become like that, etc. Therefore, Sakshat Chandalatam Gatam Rajanam. So Abravit. So directly he spoke to the Chandala who is now in the form of Chandala. But then he knows that he's this Ikshvaku king. Therefore, he spoke to him directly. इक्ष्वाको स्वागतं वत्स जानामि त्वां सुधार्मिकं शरणं ते प्रदास्यामि मा भैषीर् नृपपुंगवा. Ikshwako, hey Ikshwako here. So Ikshwako is one partha. Aikshwako is Govinda Raja's partha, seems to be more appropriate. Or Ikshwaku also you can take. So he is not himself Ikshwaku. He is somebody who has come in the lineage of Ikshwaku. So he should be called Aikshwaku, somebody who is coming in the lineage of Ikshwaku. Or you can directly call him, address him as Ikshwaku itself. So Lakshanaya, what it means is he's coming in that lineage. Anyway, Ikshwako Swagatam Vatsa. Vatsa means hey child, hey Ikshwako. That is hey Ikshwaku Vamshagata Trishanko Swagatam. So welcome to you. Janami Tvam Sudharmikam. Tvam Sudharmikam Janami. I know very well that you are a very dharmika person. Sharanam te pradasyami ma bhaishi. Hey Nrupapungava, hey great king. Sharanam te pradasyami. I offer my what should I say, my shelter to you. Ma bhaishihi. So don't get afraid. So you don't have to entertain any more fear. I have given you shelter. Aham amantraye sarvan maharshin punya karmanaha yajnasahya karan rajans tato yakshasi nirvritaha. So aham amantraye sarvan maharshin punyakarmanaha, all those great punyatma maharshis, I will invite them. So aham amantraye, I will invite all maharshis, etc., great maharshis. And then, so why Yajna Sahyakaran? Yajna Sahyakaran means Yajna Sahayakaran. That is, these people, those Maharshis who will help you in performing the yaga. So I will invite them, and Tataha Yakshasi. So then I will also, so Tataha Yakshasis, they will, so when they come, you will be then be able to perform the yaga, but then Vishwamitra himself will lead that yaga. So anyway, Tataha Yakshasi. So I will invite all of them, they will come, and then you will be able to perform your yaga. So this nirvritaha is, though you are a chandala and you don't have that adhikara to perform the yaga, but then by my power you will lose that, and then still you will be able to perform yaga. Lose that means, so he is next going to say, I cannot remove this chandala akriti to you, but then you will lose that anadhikaritvam, which others are telling you are an anadhikari, therefore you cannot do. That anadhikaritvam you will lose by my power. So I am giving you the permission to perform the yaga even though you are a chandala. So this chandala form I cannot remove. He is going to say that, but then I will allow you to perform the yaga. So Guru Shapa Kritam Rupam Yadidam Tvai Vartate Anena Saha Rupena Sashariro Gamishyasi. So this Rupam that you have, so Anena Vartat, so Yadidam Tvai Vartate Rupam, so that Rupam that is there in you now, what is that Rupam? Guru Shapa Kritam Rupam, this Rupam that you have got because of your Guru Shapa. So Guru's son is as equal to Guru, you know. So Guru Shapa Kritam Rupam Yadidam Tvai Vartate, that Rupam that is there in you right now, Tvai Vartate, Vartate means it's there right now in you. So anena, so tvai means in you, tvai vartate, anena saha rupena sashariro gamishyasi. With this form itself you will go to swarga, sashariraha swargam gamishyasi. So why with this form only, why should I go? So indirectly Vishwamitra is telling, I don't have the power to remove your Guru Shapa. Nobody can remove. Vasishtha is a great Brahmarshi, etc. So his Shapa nobody can remove. In fact, Tikakaras are telling even Brahmaji himself cannot remove. So I cannot remove that form for you, but then with this form itself, I will see to it that you go to Swarga. Hasta praptam aham manye swargam tava naradhipa yastvam kaushikam agamya sharanyam sharanagataha. So, he naradhipa tava swargam hasta praptam aham manye. So, hasta praptam iva means as though now your Swarga. So, hey Trishanko, you think that you have already got Swarga. Don't even worry about it. It is now Hasta Praptam, as though you have got it in your hand. Already it's ready. It's there in my hands, or it's there in your hands already. Think of it that way. Think of it that you have already fulfilled your desire. Why? Yastvam Kaushikam Agamya Sharanyam Sharanagataha. Because why is it so easy for you? For others it may be difficult. For you it is very easy because you have taken refuge in this great Kaushika. So who is telling? Vishwamitra himself is telling. But then whom is he talking about? He is talking about him only. So you have taken refuge in me. This Kaushika me, you have taken refuge in me. So therefore it's very easy to you. Yahatvam Kaushikam Agamya Sharanam Sharanagataha. So Sharanyam Kaushikam Agamya means, so I told you yesterday this Gamana Dhatu, Gati Dhatus have Jnanartha also. So Sharanyam Agamya Sharanagataha means you have known to me, you have known that I am Sharanya, that is I am capable of giving shelter to those who take refuge in me. So you have known that, and then you have taken shelter in me. In me means he is telling in Kaushika you have taken shelter, that is in me you have taken shelter, that is the idea. Therefore hasta praptam aham manye, your swargam is as though already obtained, as though in your hands already. Evam uktva mahatejah putran paramadharmikan vyadidesha mahaprajnan yajna sambhara karanat sarvan shishyan samahuya vakyam uvachaha. So evam uktva mahatejaha, that Mahateja Vishwamitra having spoken those words, putran paramadharmikan ahuya, somewhere it will be there, ahuya. So putran paramadharmikan, we have seen that when he began to do tapasya along with his wife, so he begot 4 children. We have seen those names. So he called all those children. They were very paramadharmika. There also we saw Satyavadi and all that. So maybe Satyavadi was for Trishanku, but then these dharmikan etc. we have seen. So the paramadharmika children he called them, and then Vyadidesha he instructed them. What did he say? So Mahaprajnan Yajna Sambhara Karanat Vyadidesha. He instructed them, those Mahaprajnas, so very intelligent people, Mahaprajnan. What did he instruct them about? Yajna Sambhara Karanat. So he instructed them to get ready all the Yajna Sambharas, that is all the samagri required for the Yajna. He told them, so you accumulate them, you bring them and be prepared. Sarvan Shishyan Samahuya Vakyam Etad Uvachaha. And then he called his other Sishyas also. Sarvan Sishyan Samahuya. He called them, and then Vakyam Etaduvacha, he spoke the following words. What did he say? Sarvan Rishin Savasishtan Anayadhvam Mamagnya Sashishyan Suhridaschaiva Satvijas Subahusrutan. So Sarvan Rishin. So here he is telling, go and invite all of them. So Anayadhvam, go and get them. He is telling all his Sishyas, you invite all Rishis. So all Rishis, though maybe they got a doubt, okay, but what about Vasishta? Will he come or not? This is Trishanku, he has come from there only. So Vishwamitra is telling, no, along with Vasishta, you invite everybody. So Sarvan Rishin, Savasishtan. So the Savasishtan, Sarvan Rishin, that is all these Rishis along with Vasishta. So these Savasishtan becomes an adjective to the Rishis. So therefore Vasishta is coming there in the sense of an adjective. So Savasishtan, Sarvan Rishin, Anayadhvam. Anayadhvam means you bring them. That is, you go and invite them. Mamagneya. Tell them that Vishwamitra is inviting and bring them here. Not just those rishis, but then Sasishyan, their Sishyas, Suhrudaschaiva, their Bandhavas, Bandhus, their friends, etc. Satvijaha Subahushrutan. So Subahushrutan Sarvan Rishin. Those Sarvan Rishin, all Rishis who are Subahushruta. So Bahushruta means, I have told this earlier, so Bahudha Shrutaha, Bahubhihi Shrutaha. So they have studied from many people and they have studied much also. Bahudha Shrutaha means again and again they have studied, that is, they have studied much, and then Bahubhihi Shrutaha, they have studied from many people. So Subahu Shrutan, Bahu itself means many, Subahu means even countless, something like that. So very learned Maharshis, all of them. So invite them along with all their Sishyas and friends and all the other Ritviks in their ashramas, everyone invite them here. Yadanyo Vachanam Bruyan Madvakya Balachoditaha Tatsarvam Akhile Noktam Mamakhyayam Anadritam. So Yadanyaha Vachanam Bruyat, if somebody else speaks something else, so Mama Vakya Madvakya Balachoditaha. Vakya Balachoditaha means whoever, so Choditaha means pushed, I have been telling this, but here what it means is invited. So whoever invited by my words, that is, you people will go there and tell them that Vishwamitra has invited you for this yaga, for Trishanku. So those people become Madvakya Balachoditaha. So that person, whoever Madvakya Balachoditaha, that is, whoever has been invited by you in my name. So that is Madvakya Balachoditaha. Yadanyaha Vachanam Bruyat. If somebody there speaks something inappropriately, something wrong, they say, oh, what is this Trishanku? I heard he has become a Chandala. What is this Trishanku doing a yaga? Moreover, Trishanku is supposed to be Ikshvaku king. Vasishta should be officiating. What is this Vishwamitra officiating? Suppose they pass any such comments. So Yadanyaha Vachanam Bruyat Tat Sarvam Akhile Noktam. So Tat Sarvam means all of that, all that they say. Then make such comments. So whatever they said and what all of them said, that is all those 10 people what they have said, and in its entirety what all they said. So tat sarvam akhile noktam mamakhyayam anadritam. So whatever anadritam vakyam, so that you have to come and tell me anadritam vachanam, whatever he has said, that is out of disrespect, anadritam vachanam, whatever he has said, amakhyayam, you have to come back and report to me. Vishwamitra is telling his Sishyas. Tasya tadvachanam shrutva disho jagmus tadagneya ajagmu ratha deshebhyas sarvebhyo brahmavadinaha. Tasya tadvachanam shrutva, having heard those words of Vishwamitra, disho jagmuhu tadagneya. Tadagneya means Vishwamitrasya agneya. Disho jagmuhu, all those Sishyas went to various directions, and then ajagmu ratha devebhyaha sarvebhyo brahmavadinaha. Deshebhyaha ajagmuhu. So deshebhyaha sarvebhyo deshebhyaha Brahmavadinaha atha ajagmuhu. So from various deshas, great Brahmavadins. Brahmavadins means Brahmajnanis. So Brahmavadins, I have told this earlier. I think Shvetashvatara Upanishad starts. So Brahmavadino vadanti, etc. So Brahmavadinaha means, so Brahmajnanis, all of them, ajagmuhu. They came from various deshas. They came for this yaga that Vishwamitra was going to officiate. Teja Shishya Samagamya Munim Jwalita Tejasam Uchushcha Vachanam Sarvesham Brahmavadinam. Teja Shishyaha, the Sishyas also went to invite, they also came back, and then they had to report, if anybody said anything. So Teja Shishyaha Samagamya. So those Sishyas also having returned back, and then they have all assembled together in front of Vishwamitra. Munim Jwalita Tejasam Uchuhu. So they spoke the following words to that Muni, who is so Jwalita Tejasa. Now newly he got this Rajarshitvam, so he's now is now dazzling with the tejas of Rajarshipam. So to that Rishi Uchuhu, Sarve Vachanam Uchuhu. So Sarve means all those Sarve Shishyaha Vachanam Uchuhu. They spoke the following words. What did they talk about? Sarvesham Brahmavadinam Vachanam Uchuhu. So all the words that all those Brahmavadins, these people went to Maharshis. So Brahmavadin you can generally take as all Maharshis. So these Maharshis, they went and invited. What all they said, they came and reported back to him. Shrutva te vachanam sarve samayanti द्विजातयः सर्वदेशेषु चागच्छन् वर्जयित्वा महोदयम्. So they are telling, so what they say, श्रुत्वा ते वचनं सर्वे समायान्ति द्विजातयः. Hey Vishwamitra, having heard those words, having heard our words of invitation, Shrutva te sarve means all of those Brahmarshis. So Shrutva, having heard those words, Vachanam Shrutva, Samayanti Dvijatayaha. Dvijatayaha means those Maharshis, Samayanti. So they have all come. Sarve Desheshu, from various deshas, they have all come. Sarve Desheshu cha agachan. So from various places they have come. Varjayitva Mahodayam. So except for one Rishi whose name was Mahodaya, except for that Mahodaya Rishi, everybody came, they are saying. Vasishtham Yatso, by this Mahodayam Varjayitva, and then by subsequent storyline, as we will see in this chapter, so those Vasishtha's Putras also did not come. So whether Vasishtha himself came, it's not clear, but Vasishtha's children definitely did not come. That is coming immediately. So this Mahodaya also, his name is Mahodaya, that Maharshi's name is Mahodaya, he also took the side of Vasishtha's children. Vasishtham yachhatam sarvam krodha paryakulaksharam yathaha vachanam sarvam shrunutvam munipungava. Hey Munipungava, hey great Vishwamitra, hey great Maharshi Vishwamitra. Vasishtham yachhatam, that is that 100 of Vasishtha. 100 of Vasishtha means 100 children of Vasishtha. Sarvam krodha paryakulaksharam yathaha. Yathaha means yatha aha, or another patha is yadaha. Yadaha means yat aha. So that 100 of Vasishtha, that is 100 children of Vasishtha. So krodha paryakulaksharam yatha aha. So whatever they said with krodha paryakulaksharam, words, aksharam means letters, so you can take words filled with anger, whatever they said, sarvam shrunutvam, he munipungava, tat sarvam vachanam shrunu. So that we will tell you, you listen. That is those 100 children of Vasishtha, they did not come, and moreover, when they heard this news, they were very angry and said something that Vasishtha is going, that Vishwamitra's Sishyas are going to tell now. Kshatriyo yajako yasya chandalasya visheshatah katham sadasi bhoktaro havistasya surashrayaha. So very sarcastically they are telling, Kshatriyo yajako yasya. So you have come and invited us for a yaga. Very nice. What kind of a yaga? Kshatriyo yajako yasya. So yasya means for which yaga? Kshatriya is the yajaka. Kshatriya is Vishwamitra. You know, this Vishwamitra is a Kshatriya. So Vishwamitra is the officiating priest. Chandalasya visheshataha. Who is the person who is performing the yaga? He is a Chandala. Very nice. Chandala is performing the yaga, it seems. Kshatriya is officiating the yaga, it seems. Very nice to know. Katham sadasi bhoktaro havistasya surashrayaha. Surashrayaha means so Devatas, Suras and Rishis. So both of them. So Suras and Rishis, that is Devatas and Rishis. Katham sadasi bhoktaraha. Havihi tasya sadasi havihi bhoktaraha katham. So in that sadas, in that yajna sadas, how will these Devatas and other Rishis become bhoktas of Havis? So bhoktas of Havis means you have to take it here in two ways. So Devatas take the Havis that is offered in the fire, and whatever Yajneshishtam is there, whatever is left over in the Yajnam, the bhoktas for that leftover will be Maharshis. So Maharshis also will be bhoktas, but not in the same sense as how Devatas will be the bhoktas for a yaga. Anyway, in a general sense, both are bhoktas. So these Devatas and Maharshis, how will they come and take your offerings in such a yaga where Kshatriya is officiating and Chandala is performing the yaga? Brahmana va mahatmano bhuktva chandala bhojanam katham swargam gamishyanti Vishwamitrena palitaha. So Brahmana va mahatmanaha. So other great Brahmanas also. So other Rishis will come and partake of that Havir. So that Yajneshishtam, the remnants of the yaga, and then other Brahmanas will also come there. So but then also Mahatmas, Brahmanas will come. Bhuktva chandala bhojanam, and then for the yaga you will feed them because they have come, and then they will eat this bhojanam which is offered by a Chandala. Katham swargam gamishyanti. So how will they go to Swarga? So if they eat such food, how will they go to Swarga? By eating such food, they will not be able to go to Swarga. Nobody will come. That's what Vasishtha's children's thoughts were. So Vishwamitrena palitaha brahmanaha. So Vishwamitrena palitaha is sarcastic. Tilakakara is telling Vishwamitrena palitaha means those brahmanas, so very well protected by Vishwamitra, okay, they will come. In fact, they are all terrified of Vishwamitra. We will see that, I think, in this chapter or next chapter. So out of terror, out of fear of Vishwamitra, they will come and do whatever he say. So okay, so here Vishwamitrena palitaha means indirectly they are telling out of terror for Vishwamitra they might come. But if they come and eat, how will they go to Swarga by eating such kind of food? एतद्वचन नैष्ठुर्यमूचु सम्रक्तलोचनाः वासिष्ठा मुनिशार्दूल सर्वे सह महोदयाः. So एतद्वचन नैष्ठुर्यम ऊचुः. So vachana naishturyam means, so vachana naishturyam you should take as naishturya vachanam. So you should put it the other way. That is very hard to even hear. So to hear these words are very harsh. So such words, etad vachana naishturyam uchuhu, they spoke such harsh words. Samrakta lochanaha, so with very angry eyes, so reddened with anger. Samrakta lochanaha, their eyes were reddened by anger. So with such eyes, these Vasishthaha, sarve uchuhu, all these Vasishthas, all the Vasishtha's children, they spoke. Hey Munishardula, hey great Muni Vishwamitra, all of them spoke. And then this Mahodaya was also with them. They are telling Saha Mahodayaha, that Mahodaya also was standing there beside them. And these 100 sons of Vasishtha spoke these words. Tesham tat vachanam shrutva sarvesham munipungavaha krodha samrakta nayanaha sarosham idam abravit. Tesham tat vachanam shrutva. Tesham, here you can take those Vasishthanam, that Tesham means those children of Vasishthas, or those Sishyas who have come and reported to Vishwamitra, you know. So Tesham tat vachanam shrutva. Tesham sarvesham vachanam shrutva, that munipungavaha Vishwamitraha Krodha Samrakta Nayanaha, his eyes also became reddened by anger. So Krodha Samrakta Nayanaha Sarosham Idam Abravit, he spoke the following words with great anger. Yad Dushayant Yadushtam Mam Tapa Ugram Samassthitam Bhasmi Bhuta Duratmano Bhavishyanti Nasamshayaha. So Vishwamitra is telling, how dare they curse me. So Yad Dushayanti Adushtam Mam Adushtam, so I am somebody who should not be cursed. But then how did they curse me? How dare they curse me who is actually Adushta? Adushta is, so I am not somebody who's curse-worthy, but then they dushayanti, they have cursed me who is otherwise not curse-worthy. So dushayanti adushtam mam, and then why am I not curse-worthy? In fact, I should be praised by mam tapa ugram samasthitam, tapa ugram samasthitam. So I have performed such great ugra tapas, how dare they curse me, he is telling. Bhasmi bhuta duratmanaha, those duratmas, let they turn into ashes. Bhasmi bhuta duratmanaha bhavishyanti. So those duratmas, bhasmi bhuta bhavishyanti. So they will turn into ashes. That is, he is cursing. May they turn into ashes. Nasamshayaha, there is no doubt in my mind. They will turn into ashes. Adyate kalapashena nita vaivasvata kshayam saptajati shatanyeva mritapa sambhavantu te. So adyate kalapashena nita. So adya means today. That is immediately after they turn into ashes. So their bodies have turned into ashes. What happens to their atma? Kalapashena vaivasvata kshayam nita. Kshayam means griham. So vaivasvata is yama. So yamasya griham. So yama will take them by kalapasha. He will drag them to his house. Kalapashena nitaha. Nita means, actually nitaha means led. So they are dragged away, you can say in this context. They are dragged by that kala pasha, by that pasha called time. So Yama rules by the what should I say, by that pasham called time. You know, time is the noose with which Yama is binding all of us. So kala pashena nitaha vaivasvata kshayam. So they will, so vaivasvata kshayam nitaha kala pashena, they will be dragged by that kala pasha into Vaivasvata's house, that is to Mrityu's house, to Yamaloka. And then after that, Saptajati Shatanyeva Mritapa Sambhavantu te. So Saptajati Shatani means Sapta Janma Shatani. That is for 700 lives after that, they will become Mritapaha Sambhavantu. So may they be born as Mritapaha. Mritapaha means various meanings are being given. Mritapaha means Chandala is one meaning, or another Mritapaha. This Chandala meaning is given by Shiromanikara. Bhushanakara is telling Mritapaha means Shava Bhakshakaha, people who eat dead bodies. Tilakakara is telling Mritapaha means Shava Vastradi Harinaha. So those people who, so there are clothes, you know, draped on a Shava, and then before burning, actually they burn a bare body, so they remove all the clothes and all that, and then they have to burn. So that cloth with which the shava is draped, that is given off to those people in the smashana. So these people who wear that cloth taken from the dead body, so that is a mritapaha. So anyway, various meanings are given. Ultimately, he's cursing that they will have a very low life, but for 700 janmas from today, now they will turn into ashes. Immediately they will go to Yamaloka. From there, they will take 700 births as mritapaha. That mritapaha he is describing. श्वमांस नियताहारा मुष्टिका नाम निर्घृणाः विकृताश्च विरूपाश्च लोकान् अनुचरन्त्विमान्. So श्वमांस नियताहाराः, so that is they will definitely, niyataharah means their staple food will be shwamamsa. Shwamamsa is the flesh of a dog, that is they will become chandala. So mushtika, what is mushtika? So mushtika nama tannamanaha. So they will be born as this class of people called mushtikaha. So nirghrinaha, they will be very gory to see. They will have no daya or anything. They will be like that, nirghrinaha. Vikritascha virupascha. Vikritaha. So vikritaha means vikrita vachana vyaparadayaha. So their acts and their words will be very very, what should I say, very brutal. So such kind of words and actions they will do. And then virupaha, their form to look at is also very brutal to look at. Such kind of people, lokan anucharan viman. So such kind of people, may they have such kind of lives. So lokan here means, so such kind of lives may they have for 700 years, 700 janmas may they have such kind of lives. महोदयश्च दुर्बुद्धिर मामदूष्यं ह्यदूषयत् दूषित सर्वलोकेषु इषादत्वं गमिष्यति. And then he has cursed those Vasishtha's children. Now he is cursing Mahodaya. He also parted with those Vasishtha's children, you know. So Mahodayascha durbuddhihi, that durbuddhi Mahodaya, mam adushyam hi adushayat. So I am actually adushya, but then he has scolded me. That is, I am somebody who should not be criticized, but then they has criticized me. So dushitaha, so sarvalokeshu dushitaha nishadatvam gamishyati. So he will take birth as a nishada, and then he will be sarvalokeshu dushitaha. He will be dushitaha. I don't know if long back I said dushitaha means cursed, but dushitaha means criticized or somebody who spoken ill of. So Vishwamitra is telling, I am adushita, adushya. So adushyam mam hi adushayat. So I am supposed to be adushya, but they have cursed me. That is, I am somebody who should not be criticized or something like that, who should not be spoken ill of, but they have spoken ill of me. So therefore, this Mahodaya also will take a nishada birth in which everybody will be speaking ill of him. Sarva lokeshu dushitaha, he will become. प्राणातिपात निरतो निरनुक्रोशतांगतः दीर्घकालं मम क्रोधात् दुर्गतिं वर्तयिष्यति. So pranatipata niratah, Shiromanikara was nicely explaining. So pranatipata nirataha means praninam yo atipato himsa tatra niratah. So pranatipata nirataha, atipata means himsa. So pranatipata means himsa of pranis. So praninam atipataha, so himsa tatra tatra nirataha. So this person is engaged in himsa of people, he will become such a person. Pranatipata nirataha is always engaged in causing himsa to people. Niranukroshatangataha, so he will not have any daya. Such kind of person he will be. Dirghakalam, so for how long? For them he has cursed 700 janmas, but these people, so for them, for him he has said for a very long time. Dirghakalam mama krodha durgatim vartayishyati, he will have a very disturbing, very difficult life because of my anger, that is because of my curse. एतावद् उक्त्वा वचनं विश्वामित्रो महातपाः वीरराम महातेजा ऋषि मध्ये महामुनिः. एतावद् उक्त्वा, so thus far, so for so long having spoken, uktva, these vachanam uktva, all these words having spoken, Vishwamitro Mahatapaha, that Mahatapasvi Vishwamitra, Virarama, so he gave a break to his words. Mahateja Vishwamitraha, Rishi Madhye, that Mahamunihi Mahatejaha Vishwamitraha, Rishi Madhye, Etavad Uktva, in the Rishi Sangha, all the other Rishis have come, you know, in their midst, having spoken so much, then Virarama, he stopped. That is, he gave a break to whatever he wanted to say. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmikiye Adi Kavye बालकाण्डे 59तमः सर्गः। अथ 60तमः सर्गः। तपोबलहतान् ज्ञात्वा वासिष्ठान् स महोदयान् ऋषिमध्ये महातेजा विश्वामित्रोऽभ्युभाषत। So तपोबलहतान् ज्ञात्वा वासिष्ठान्, so Samahodayan, so he has now come to know that somebody has brought the news to him that, hey Vishwamitra, because of your curse, indeed all of them have turned into ashes. So he has come to know that Mahodaya and all the Vasishtha's children, they have died because of his tapobala. So tapobala hatan means killed by his tapobala, that is by his shapa they have been killed. Iti gnatva, having known. Then Rishi Madhye Mahateja Vishwamitrobhyo Bhashata. So in the midst of all those rishis, so this Vishwamitra Abhyabhashata, he spoke the following words. Ayam Ikshvaku Dayadas Trishankuriti Vishrutaha Dharmishthascha Vadanyascha Manchaiva Sharanangataha. He is introducing Trishanku to those people. Ayam Ikshvaku Dayadaha, that is, this person is coming in the lineage of Ikshvaku. He is a relative of Ikshvaku. That means he is coming in the lineage of Ikshvaku. Trishankuriti Vishrutaha, he is famous by the name Trishanku. So that is, you must have all heard about him, Trishanku. So Dharmishthascha, he is Dharmishtha. Dharmishtha means he has lot of dharma in him. So Dharmishtha, Vadanyaha. Vadanyaha, we have seen this word earlier also. Vadanya is a very charitable person. So he was very Dharmishtha. He has done a lot of dhanam, etc. Dharmishtha, Vadanyascha, Manchaiva Sharanangata. He is giving 3 reasons why these people should support Trishanku. He is a Dharmishtha, he is a Vadanya. So he is by himself, he is very good. And then Vadanya, he has helped people. So he might help you also if you help him now. So Vadanyaha, Manchaiva Sharanangataha. Most importantly, he has taken refuge in me. Therefore, Svena Nena Sharirena Devaloka Jigishaya Yathayam Swasharirena Devalokam Gamishyati Tatha Pravartyatam Yajno Bhavadbhishcha Maya Saha. Therefore, what he has desired to go to Swarga with this own body. Svena Anena Sharirena. Svena Anena Sharirena Devaloka Jigishaya. So that is, he has Jigisha here is Jetum Ichha is called Jigisha, but here you should take it as so Ichha to obtain Swargaloka with this very own body that he is having. He has desired to go to Swarga with this very own body. Yathayam Swasharirena Devalokam Gamishyasi Tatha. So Yatha, so in what way, in which way this person will go to Devaloka with this own Sharira? In that way. Tatha Pravartyatam Yajnaha. In that way you perform the yaga. That is, you perform that yaga, because of which as a phalam he will go to Swarga with his own body. Pravartyatam. Pravartyata means you begin. So may that yaga be begun. So bhavadbhihi pravartyatam. May it be started by you, maya saha, along with me. So let us all together perform that yaga. Vishwamitra vacha shrutva sarva eva maharshayah uchus sameta sahasa dharmagnya dharma samhitam. So Vishwamitra vacha shrutva, having heard those words of Vishwamitra, sarva eva maharshaya, all those maharshis, uchuhu sameta sahasa dharmagnyaha dharma samhitam. So dharma samhitam uchuhu, that is dharma sanyuktam vachanam uchuhu. They spoke very dharmic words, they spoke. And then how did they speak? Sameta. Sameta uchuhu. They spoke means spoke between themselves here. So uchuhu means parasparam uchuhu. Between themselves they spoke. So sameta uchuhu shows that they have spoken between themselves. And then sahasa. Sahasa means so very quickly they started discussing immediately. Now this Vishwamitra has instructed them to start the yaga. So if they make delay also, Vishwamitra will get angry. So they very quickly discussed amongst themselves. So Dharmagnyas, those Maharshis, discussed amongst themselves. What are they saying? Ayam Kushika Dayado Munif Paramakopanaha Yadaha Vachanam Samyak Etat Karyam Asamshayaha. So Ayam Kushika Dayadaha, this is Kushikatmaja, that is, this is Kushika's relative, that is Kushika's son here. So Ayam Kushika Dayadaha Munihi Paramakopanaha. He is a Muni, and then very Paramakopanaha means extremely angry Muni. He is famous for his anger. Yadaha Vachanam Samyak Etat Karyam Nasamshayaha. So etat karyam yadaha, whatever work he has told us now, yadaha vachanam, whatever words he has told us, samyate etat karyam, we have to together definitely do that. Nasamshayaha, no doubt we should definitely do whatever he has said, whatever he has told us, we should definitely do that. Why? Agni kalpo hi bhagavan shapam dasyati roshataha. This Bhagavan Vishwamitraha is Agni kalpaha. Agni kalpaha means Agni sadrishaha, is equal to fire in his Shakti. Therefore, Shapam dasyati roshataha. If he gets angry, roshataha, out of anger, Shapam dasyati, he will give us shapa. Tasmat pravartyatam yajnaha sashariro yatha divi gached ikshva kuda yado Vishwamitrasya tejasa. So tasmat pravartyatam yajnah. Therefore, let this yajna be started. So there are two ways of understanding. One is that they are telling between themselves tasmat pravartyatam yajnah. One of the commentators is telling now after they have seen. So Vishwamitra is seeing these people are discussing, and then Vishwamitra is telling, yes, I might give you shapa. Therefore, tasmat pravartyatam yajnah. Therefore, start performing this yaga. तस्मात् प्रवर्त्यतां यज्ञः. So what kind of yajna? Sashariro yatha divi gached ikshvakudayadah. So do that yaga because of which sashariraha ikshvakudayadah, that is this Trishanku, divi gached, that is he will go to Swarga. Yatha, this will be possible. Tatha, so how will that be possible? Vishwamitrasya tejasa. By this yaga nothing is going to happen. Ultimately Vishwamitra's tejas only should protect him. They were thinking like that. So Vishwamitrasya tejasa, this is going to happen. So let us just perform this yaga. Tatah pravartyatam yajnah sarve samadhitishtata evam muktva maharshayas sanjahrustah kriyastada tatah pravartyatam yajnah. So therefore yajnah pravartyatam, may this yajna be started. Sarve samadhitishtata. So sarve samadhitishtata means let us, so all of us, let us engage in this yaga. Samadhitishtata evam uktva maharshayah samjahruhu taha kriyaha. So evam uktva, having said those words between themselves, those maharshis, samjahruhu is they have started now taking all the implements and then started engaging physically into the yaga. Taha kriyaha samjahruhu. They started, initiated the performance of all those kriyas involved in that yaga. Tada means after speaking between themselves, they started involving themselves also in the yaga. याजकश्च महातेजा विश्वामित्रो भवत्क्रतौ ऋत्विजश्चानुपूर्व्येण मन्त्रवन् मन्त्रकोविदाः चक्रुः सर्वाणि कर्माणि यथाकल्पं यथाविधि. So in that yaga, the main yajaka is Vishwamitra only. Yajakascha Mahateja Vishwamitraha Bhavat Kratau. Kratau means in that kratu, in that yaga, Sakshat Vishwamitra himself is the yajaka. Yajaka means officiating priest, officiating. So Ritvik or Adhvaryu, in fact, he is going to take the sthanam of Adhvaryu. So Yajakaha, this Sakshat Vishwamitra himself is the Adhvaryu here. Ritvijascha Anupurvyena Mantravan Mantrakovidaha. So Ritvijaha also Chakruhu Sarvani Karmani. These Ritviks also Sarvani Karmani Chakruhu. All the karmas related to the yaga, Chakruhu, they performed. How? Anupurvyena. Anupurvyena means maybe, so like we have seen already last time. So maybe this yaga involves many, so anga yagas are there. So many angas together constitute the angi, the main yaga. So many angas are there. All of them in that order you have to perform. So that order, according to that order, these maharshis also started performing. So what kind of maharshis they were? So they were mantra kovidaha. They were experts in those mantras. And then mantravat. So this was also explained nicely. Let me find that. So this is Shloka 9. So mantravantaha parasparam krita sammatayahate. So mantravan mantrakovidaha. So these mantravantaha, these rishis are mantravantaha, means they discussed between themselves what should we do. So these discussant maharshis, that is they have discussed between themselves. Okay, they have what is it called, division of labor it's called. That is, okay, you do this work, I do this work. They have discussed amongst themselves. Such kind of maharshis who are also mantra kovidas, those maharshis sarvani karmani yatha kalpam yatha vidhi, as stated in kalpa shastra and vidhis according to veda vidhi, chakruhu sarvani karmani, they started doing it. Tatah kalena mahata vishwamitro mahatapaha chakara vahanam tatra bhagartham sarva devataha. Tatah kalena mahata, so after some long time. So that shows that it was a very, very elaborate yaga. So after a long time, that mahata kalena, after a long time, Vishwamitraha mahatapasvi Vishwamitra avahanam chakara. So he invited. Whom did he invite? Sarva devataha avahanam chakara. He invited all the devatas. Why did he invite them? Bhagartham. He invited them so that they will partake their yajna bhaga, whatever is to be offered in the yaga, so that they will partake. Nabhyagaman tada tatra bhagartham sarva devataha. So Nabhyagaman tada means even after being invited by Vishwamitra, that is by mantra he has called them. So Nabhyagaman, they did not come there. So they did sarva devataha bhagartham Nabhyagaman. They did not come to take their bhaga, yajna bhagas. Tatah kopa samavishto Vishwamitro mahamunihi. सुरमुद्यम्य सक्रोधस्त्रिशङ्कुमिदमब्रवीत्. So ततः कोपसमाविष्टः विश्वामित्रः महामुनिः. महामुनि Vishwamitra, he was overpowered by Tataha means that is because these devatas did not come, he was enraged by anger. Then Survam Sakrodha Trishankum idam abravit. So he took up his Surva. So Suruk and Survam, you know, those two spoons kind of things with which you do yaga. So his Survam was there in his hand. That's how you know that he must have been the Adharyu. So he took up that Survam, and then Survam Udyamya means, so Tilakakara is telling, so Survam Udyamya means he was as though brandishing in the air, and then he's telling Ikshva, hey Trishanku, listen now, I'm going to say something. So like that he's brandishing that Survam in the air. Sakrodhaha. So with great anger he's doing that. Trishankum idam abravit. With so brandishing that Surva in the air, he spoke the following words. पश्यमे तपसो वीर्यं स्वार्जितस्य नरेश्वर एष त्वां स्वशरीरेण नयामि स्वर्गमोजसा. So हे Nareshwara, हे King Trishanku, पश्यमे तपसो वीर्यं. Look at now, you will be a witness to the great Shakti, tapas Shakti that I have. Pashyame tapaso viryam swarjitasya tapasaha viryam. So swarjitasya means, actually swarjitaha means svena arjitaha. That is, I have acquired this tapas by my own effort. So svena arjitaha, I have acquired it by myself. Here swarjitaha, one of the commentators are actually telling swasmai arjitaha. I am not able to locate that, but while I was reading swasmai arjitaha, that is this Shakti, actually I have acquired it for myself, but I am using it for you now. So I have acquired by myself, if you say, so svena arjitaha, that is by myself I have acquired it. So arjitaha, or according to one of the tikakaras here, swasmai arjitaha. So for my sake I have acquired this Shakti, but I am going to use it for you now. Esha tvam swasharirena nayami. So by this Shakti, tvam swasharirena nayami swargam. So swargam nayami. With this own body I am going to take you to Swarga. And how? Ojasa. With this tapas Shakti, I am going to take you to Swarga with this body itself. Even though those devatas did not come. If devatas came and partook that Havir Bhaga, by that yajna, you know, phalam as that yajna, he would have gone to Swarga with his Sharira. But they did not come. Why they did not come? So Tikakaras are telling us, Chandala is performing the yaga, Kshatriya is officiating it, what kind of yaga it is, so they did not come. But then Vishwamitra is telling, even if that did not happen, so with my Shakti, I am now going to take you to Swarga. Dushprapam swasharirena swargam gacha nareshwara swarjitam kinchidapyasti mayahi tapasah phalam rajan tvam tejasa tasya sashariro divam vraja. So dushprapam swasharirena. So for others it is dushprapam. For others it is very difficult to obtain. What is that? Swasharirena swargam. So to go to Swarga with this body itself, it is difficult for others, but you, swasharirena swargam gacha, he Nareshwara, but you go. I am instructing you by my tapas Shakti, you go to Swarga with this body itself. So swarjitam kinchidapyasti mayahi tapasah phalam. If at all I have some swarjita tapasah phalam, if I have any phalam that I have got with the tapas that I have done, if at all there is such, so kinchidapya asti. So if at all there is any such power, Rajan tvam tejasa tasya shashariro divamvra. Tasya tejasa, by the result of that tapas, hey Rajan, tvam shashariro divamvraja. With his body itself, hey Rajan, go divamvraja, go to Swarga. So Vishwamitra has uttered those words. Uktavakye muno tasmin sashariro nareshwaraha divanjagama kakutstha muninam pashyatam tada. He kakutstha Rama, Shatananda is telling Rama. So Uktavakye, Muno Uktavakye sati, that is when Muni Vishwamitra spoke those words, Tasmin Shashariro Nareshwaraha Divanjagama, that Nareshwara Trishanku, Tasmin means immediately there. Tasmin means actually at that time. That is, you should take it immediately. Immediately Divanjagama, this Trishanku started going towards Swarga. Muninam Pashyatam Tada. Even other Munis were looking at all these turn of events, Trishanku was already going to Swarga. Swargalokam gatam drishtva trishankum pakashasanaha saha sarvai suraganaihi idam vachanam abravit. So pakashasanaha Indraha, so he is seeing that this Trishanku is coming there. Swargalokam gatam drishtva. So gatam means he is coming there. So it's not yet, he has not yet reached Swargam. So or maybe he has reached already. So Swargalokam gatam drishtva trishankum pakashasanaha. So pakashasanaha trishankum drishtva. When on seeing this Trishanku who is coming to Swargaloka, Saha Sarvaihi Suraganaihi Idam Vachanam Abravit. Along with all the other devatas, this Indra Pakashasanaha spoke the following words. त्रिशंको गच्छ भूयस्त्वं नास्ति स्वर्गकृतालयः गृह गुरुशापहतो मूढ अत भूमिमवाक्षिराः हे त्रिशंको गच्छ भूयः त्वं. So bhuyaha means once again gacha, that is you go back. He Trishanko, go back. Bhuyaha tvam gacha. Nasti swargakritalayaha. Nasti swargakritalayaha. Swarga. So swargakritalayaha means, so he who has made swarga as his alayam. Alayam means nivasasthanam. He who has made swarga as his nivasasthanam by his own punya. So you are, so whatever that state is, you don't have that kind of state. That is, you are not somebody who has come here by the result of your own punya karma. You don't have a place in Swarga. Therefore, go back. Bhuyaha gacha. That is, go back. Guru shapahato mudha pata bhumim. So, hey mudha, you are Guru shapahataha. So, you have been cursed by your Guru. Therefore, pata bhumim. Fall back on the earth. Avakshiraha. So, you become avakshiraha. So, you become up. So what is it called? So head is down. So upturned or something like that. So he was upturned. So he's saying you fall down on your head. That is, you upside down. So you become upside down and fall back on earth. Evamukto Mahendrena Trishankur apatat punaha vikroshamanastrahiti Vishwamitram tapodhanam. So Mahendrena Evamuktaha Trishankuhu, that Trishanku who was spoken to in that way by Indra, Trishankuhu apatat punaha. He started falling back on earth. And then how was he falling? Vikroshamanaha trahiti. So Vishwamitram tapodhanam vikroshamanaha. So he is calling out loudly to Vishwamitra. He's shouting as even he's falling from Swarga. He's calling out Vishwamitra and telling Trahi. Trahi means protect. So hey Vishwamitra, protect me. I'm falling down. Protect me. Protect me. He's shouting like that. Tad shrutva vachanam tasya kroshamanasya kaushikaha kroshamāhārayat tīvram tishtha-tishteti cha-bravīt. Tasya tad vachanam shrutva, that Vishwamitraha, what kaushikaha, what kind of words? Kroshamanasya, that Trishanku was shouting as if, so he was calling out for help to Vishwamitra. So Vishwamitra heard those words. So Roshamāhārayat, that is, he assumed great anger on him. Tīvram Roshamāhārayat, he took over great anger. Tishtha-tishteti cha-bravīt, he shouted from here, tishtha, don't fall, stay there. So he is just hanging now. Trishanku is hanging. Indra has told him to fall down. Vishwamitra is telling him to stand there. So Trishanku is hanging between Swarga and Bhuloka. Rishi madhye sa tejasvi prajapati riva paraha srijan dakshina margasthan saptarshin aparan punaha. So Rishi madhye sa tejasvi Vishwamitra, in the midst of all those rishis, aparaha prajapati va, as though another Brahmaji. This Vishwamitra, what did he do? Srijat. So he created. What did he create? Dakshina margasthaha saptarshin aparan punaha. So punaha aparan saptarshin, dakshina margasthan saptarshin srijat. So the saptarshi mandala is supposed to be in the northern hemisphere or whatever. So if you turn towards the northern sky, then you can see saptarshi mandala. So this Vishwamitra created, upasrishti or pratisrishti. So on the opposite direction, he created another saptarshi mandala. So dakshina margasthan saptarshin aparan saptarshin, another saptarshi mandala. And then where did he create? Dakshina margasthan, the southern direction, he created nakshatra vamsham aparam asrjat krodha murchitaha dakshinam dishamasthaya rishi madhye mahayashaha. So he dakshinam dishamasthaya, he also turns towards the southern direction now. So that is, he turned towards the south and created pratisrishti, it's called opposite srishti. So he turned towards the south, and then there another nakshatra mandalam he created. So nakshatra vamsham aparam nakshatra vamsham means another nakshatra vamsha. Vamsha means group here. So 27 nakshatras are there prominently. So he created, as opposite to that, another 27 set of nakshatras he has created. So asrijat, so he created krodha murchitaha. So with great anger, empowered by anger, he created those. Dakshinam dishamasthaya, that is, he also turned towards the southern direction and said, so he created those things. Rishi madhye mahayasha, in the midst of all those rishis, this is happening. Srishva nakshatra vamsanja krodhena kalushīkritaha anyam indram karishyami loko vasyad anindrakaha. So Srishva nakshatra vamsanja, having created that nakshatra vamsha, that is, having created saptarshi mandala and then having created another nakshatra vamsha. So krodhena kalushīkritaha Vishwamitraha, this Vishwamitra who has who has what should I say, who has impurified, or whatever, no, what should I say, who has, who has made, so kalusha, that is, he is having this impurity, so he has created this impurity for himself out of krodha. So out of that anger he has made himself impure. Such kind of Vishwamitra, what is he saying now? Anyam Indram Karishyami. Who's that Indra to send back this Trishanku? I will create another Indra. Or if that is not possible, so Tikakaras are telling, in case if that is not possible because of some pratibandha, then loko vasya anindrakaha. So this loka that I have created, I will create another Indra for that loka, or if that is not possible, let this loka be anindrakaha. So Tilakakara is telling, let there not be any Indra, I don't care, I will make this Trishanku as the Indra for that loka. दैवतान्यपि सक्रोधात् सष्टुं समुपचक्रमे ततः परमसम्भ्रान्ता सर्षिसङ्घाः सुरासुराः विश्वामित्रं महात्मानमूचुः सानुनयं वचः. So now, having made this Trishanku as the Indra for that loka, then he said, okay, Trishanku is he is the Indra, then he has to rule over. Then he's now started this. Now he decided to create another set of devatas also. So Daivatanyapi krodhat srashtu means he started, so he has decided and he has begun creating devatas also. Other devatas he began, so he decided to create. So out of anger he decided that he will create another set of devatas also. Tatah parama sambhranta sarshisangha surasuraha. So tataha means by that sankalpa of Vishwamitra, thereafter, so all these rishis and suras and asuras, parama sambhrantaha, they became extremely bewildered. What is going to happen now? So suras are bewildered because now he is going to create somebody like us. He is going to create another parallel devatas he is going to create. Then asuras are bewildered. So commentators are telling all this. So asuras are bewildered because they are afraid. Now after creating devatas, he might say, okay, these devatas have to fight with some asuras, so I will create parallel asuras also. Therefore these asuras are also bewildered. Therefore what they do, Vishwamitram Mahatmanam Sanunayam Vachaha Uchuhu. So they spoke very actually soothing or calming words to Vishwamitra. They spoke. Ayam Raja Mahabhaga Gurushapa Parikshataha Sashariro Divam Yatum Narhatyeva Tapodhana He Vishwamitra, it's unfair of you. This person is, I am Raja, this Raja Mahabhaga, He Mahabhaga Vishwamitra, Guru Shapa Parikshataha, he has been cursed by his Guru. Therefore, Sashariro Divam Yatum Narhati, he does not have arhata to go to Swargaloka with this body itself because he has been cursed by his Guru. So if you undo that, then what happens to all these, so the world order, so it is called Ritam, in Upanishad it's called Ritam, the world order that we see. So what happens to all that Ritam if you want to undo such things? How is it? So Ishvara's order, this is ruling is there. How will that be taken care of if you want to do something parallelly? Tesham tadvachanam shrutva devanam munipungavaha abravit sumahadvakyam kaushika sarva devataha. So Tesham tadvachanam shrutva, having heard those words of those devatas, devanam vachanam shrutva munipungavaha Vishwamitraha abravit, he spoke. What did he say? Sumahadvakyam. So this Kaushikaha Sumahadvakyam sarva devataha abravit, to all the devatas. So very magnanimous words he also spoke. That is, Vishwamitra also is going to come to a compromise now. Okay, I have said something, you want something, let there be something in between. So some kind of compromise. Therefore Sumahadvakyam abravit. सशरीरस्य भद्रं वस् त्रिशंकोरस्य भूपतेः आरोहणं प्रतिज्ञातं नानृतं कर्तुमुत्सहे. So भद्रं वः, okay, may good happen to you. So सशरीरस्य त्रिशंकोः अस्य भूपतेः त्रिशंकोः सशरीरस्य आरोहणं प्रतिज्ञातं. So to this king Trishanku, सशरीरस्य आरोहणं प्रतिज्ञातं. Pratignatam is I have uttered that with his own body, this Trishanku has to go to Swarga. That I have already uttered. Arohanam means going, ascending towards heaven. I have already said. Nanrutam kartum utsahe. I am not prepared to undo my words, so I will not take back my words. Swargostu shashari rasya Trishanko rasya shashwataha nakshatrani cha sarvani mamakani dhruvanyatha. So, okay, I am not willing to take back my words. You are not willing to admit him in Swarga. Therefore, Swargostu shasharirasya trishankoho asya trishankoho shashwataha swargaha astu. So, and to this trishanku, may there be a swarga, may it be created. That is, may there be a shashwata swarga to this trishanku. Swargostu, commentators are saying, so he's not going to get entry into Swarga Loka, but may he have Swarga Bhogas, may he have, in that sense you should take. So Swargam means here you should take Swarga Sukha. I've already said, so Kumarila Bhatta's famous Vartikam, where Swarga itself means actually a kind of exalted state of Sukha itself. But then here Swargostu Shasharirasya Trishankoho. So may there be a Shashvata Swarga for this Trishanku, and then Nakshatrani cha Sarvani, Mamakani, Dhruvanyatha, and all the Nakshatras that I have created. Mamakani Nakshatrani means those created by me. Sarvani, all those Nakshatras, Dhruvani Atha. That is, may they also be long lasting. So for a long time, may those Nakshatras also be there. Yavan loka dharishyanti tishthant vetani sarvashah yatkritani suras sarve tadunudyatum. So yavan loka dharishyanti tishthant vetani sarvashah. So as long as these lokas are going to be held by you, that is, as long as all these sapta lokas, chaturdasha lokas are going to be there, so tavat may this loka that I have created also may it stay. Yavan loka dharishyanti tishtant vetani sarvashah, etani sarvashah tishtantu. All that I have created also may they remain. So may they also be there for as long as the other kind of worlds are there. Yat kritani tishtantu. That is, whatever I have created, may they stay. Suras sarve tadanugyatum arhata. All you suras, all you devatas should also agree to that. So anugyatum arhata. You should also agree to this proposal of mine. Okay, let your lokas be your lokas. Let the lokas that I have created, let they also be parallelly there forever. Ever means as long as these lokas are there. एवं मुक्ता सुरा सर्वे प्रत्युचुर मुनि पुंगवम एवं भवतु भद्रम ते तिष्ठन्ते तानि सर्वशः. एवं मुक्ता सुराः, all those suras who have been spoken to thusly, so they pratyuchuhu, muni pungavam pratyuchuhu, they spoke back the following words in reply to that muni pungava. Evam bhavatu bhadram te, he Vishwamitra, bhadram te, may good happen to you. Evam bhavatu, may it happen as you say. Evam bhavatu, and tishtantu, etani sarvashah tishtantu. May all these things, Saptarshi Mandala and then Nakshatra Vamsha, all that you have created, Tishtantu, may it also stay. We are not going to disturb it. Let that also stay. Gagane tan yanekani Vaishwanara pathad bahihi Nakshatrani Manushreshta Teshu Jyoti Shujajwalan. So where will these nakshatras etc. stay? So Gagane tani anekani. Anekani means those many nakshatras. Gagane Vaishwanara pathad bahihi. Vaishwanara pathad bahihi means all these people. Tikakaras are telling. So whatever lokas have been described in Jyotish Shastra, so there is somewhere that lokas are coming to an end. Out of that boundary, let these lokas stay parallelly. So Vaishwanara Pathad Bahihi means Vaishwanara Pathad Jyotish Shastra Prasiddha Anadi Jyotish Chakra Margad Bahihi Deshe Eva Etani Tani Nakshatrani. So may these nakshatras etc. stay out of that Prasiddha Jyotir Mandala, whatever you see. You can take it as one galaxy or whatever. Outside this Srishti, famous Srishti, which is already described in Jyotish Shastra, may this star stay out of that realm. That is, they stay separately. So Anekani Nakshatrani Munishrestha Teshu Jyotishu Jahajwalan. So these stars also, Teshu Jyotishu means in that mandala, wherever these stars are going to be there they are shining. Jajwalan is, they are also blazing. Like all other nakshatras blaze, these nakshatras also will blaze. Avakshiras Trishankushta Tishtat Pamarasannibhaha Anuyasyanti Jaitani Jyotimshi Nripasattamam. So this Trishanku will be Avakshiraha only, he will be upside down. Avakshiraha Trishankuhu Tishtatu. He also be there like that, but he will be Avakshira, okay, may he be there like that, and then he will be Amara Sannibhaha, he will be like Devatas himself. Anuyasyanti Chaitani Jyotimshi. This Nripasattamam, this king, all those Jyotimshi, that is that Nakshatra Mandalam, etc. Anuyasyanti, they will do Pradakshina to him. That is, they will follow him. They will follow that Trishanku. That is, they will be doing Pradakshina to him. Vai kritartham kirtimantancha swargalokam gatam yatha. They will do pradakshinam to him as though he is swargaloka gatam. So if person goes to swargaloka, is become a very punyatma. Therefore, it is good to do pradakshinam to him. With such kind of notion, all these nakshatras that you have created, they will be doing Pradakshinam to this Nripasattama, what is his name, Trishanku. So Kritartham Kirtimantancha. So he has now become Kritartha, that is, his desire is fulfilled, that he wanted to go to Swarga. As though as good as that, you have given him Swarga Bhogas also, and then Kirtimanta, he will now become very famous also because of this episode. विश्वामित्रस्तु धर्मात्मा सर्वदेवैरभिष्टुतः ऋषि मध्ये महातेजा बाढ़मित्येव देवताः. So Vishwamitra Dharmatma, he also got pacified. Vishwamitra, that Dharmatma, Sarvadevaihi Abhishtutaha. Abhishtutaha means so pacified or pleased by all those devatas, eulogized by all those devatas. Vishwamitra, Rishi Madhye Mahatejaha. So that Mahateja Vishwamitra in the midst of those rishis, Badham Ityeva Devataha. So he spoke. Devataha Devata had there one kriya. So just give me 1 second. So Badham Ityeva, he has to tell them. Yeah, Badham Ityeva Aha. So he will tell, he told them. So the Devataha Badham Ityeva Aha. He said, okay, Badham means okay, I also agree to this proposal that you have given. Tato Deva Mahatmano Rishayascha Tapodhanaha Jagmur Yathagatam Sarve Yajnasyante Narottama. He Narottama Rama. Tataha means after all this settlement, compromise, agreement has happened, Devaha, Mahatmas, those Devas. So Devas, Mahatmanaha, Rishayascha. So those Mahatma Rishis and those Devatas also, Tapodhana, Maharshis and all the Devatas, Yathagatam Jagmuhu. In the way they came, they went back. That is, Devatas went back to Devaloka. All these Rishis came from various Deshas. They went back to that Desha. Sarve Yajnasyante Yathagatam Jagmuhu. At the end of that yaga, all these Devatas went back to Devaloka and Rishis went back to their own Deshas. He Narottama, he Rama. This is what has happened. इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये बालकांडे षष्टितमः सर्गः. So we have finished 60th sarga. ओम यत्र यत्र रघुनाथ कीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम तत्सत्. श्रीरामार्पणमस्तु. So